I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Explore with My Eyes. So we are heading to Oklahoma, and this will be our first road trip in USA. This is our Audi Q5 Sportsback, and we started from Dallas. Right now we're on the way to Beavers National Park. There is a Beavers Lodge where actually we are going to stay tonight. And look at this road, this is off-road, and we enjoyed a lot the whole journey. We are about to reach within 20 minutes. It's around 7.4 miles, and stay tuned, stay with us. This should be a nice trip, and hope you guys will enjoy this video. Thank you guys, keep watching. We are almost reached our lodge, Beavers Bend Lodge. You can see it's around 20 miles, 1 minute to reach, and it's 2 o'clock. It takes around 3 hours to reach here from Dallas. Okay guys, stay tuned. We'll give a full hotel tour, I mean the resort tour, and show you everything. Thank you guys.
Every day, the past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in.
Hey guys, we are going to check in, so I'll give you a short room tour. This is a small restroom. It's really small. Towel rack, bathtub. Okay. And here pillow and towels, sofa, here you go, king size bed, table lamp. These are wooden. This is really nice. The refrigerator, TV. They have oven, that's good. These all are wooden. Chair, again a table lamp. See is here. Small desk, coffee machine, and there you go. Look at this guys, the view is really nice. It's around 4:30, and you can see the view from our room. There is a sitting area, you can see. The balcony is really nice. Good afternoon guys, we are at Beavers Bend National Park. It's awesome lake. The weather is so nice. It's so bright today, sunny. And that's our stay. That's the Beavers Bend Lodge. You can see. No. Good morning, guys. We are at Oklahoma, Beavers Bend National Park. This morning, 8 o'clock, we are going for breakfast. And this is the morning view from our room. Sky is cloudy today, but I can see sun is coming up. Hey guys, we're at Beavers Bend National Park. There are some activities, tree trail, you can see, gift shops. Steam. this is Broken Bow Lake, and there is a trail everywhere. It's a trail, and that's nice actually. Hey guys, good afternoon. This is the main entrance of Beavers Bend Lodge. That's a way to go out and in. Look at this beautiful resort. There's a way to go down to the lake. Hello guys, good morning. So today we'll leave, and this is the breakfast. So the breakfast actually it's refrigerated. It's not a live counter, and so but it has the plenty of items. You can see the view. Today it's bright sunny. There are the rooms. Hey guys, good morning. So we'll check out from this hotel, Beavers Bend Lodge, and it's awesome property. You can see the view, it's really good. People are coming here for boating, fishing, and for per night the tariff was 164 with tax at this moment. So you can see the view is outstanding, the hospitality is good, the property is really good. I really recommend this hotel, and the view is really outstanding. You can see the view and the bright sunny day today, and yeah, so everything went good. You can come here, stay one night or 2 nights, and enjoy this property, enjoy this view. So stay tuned guys, stay with us and give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.